Yeah, he makes it.
That's a good straight response, right? I don't want to be a super action hero. I like that.
Yeah, there's no, real ninja story, but we made it.
You know about that? It won't stop. Don't forget that. Go now.
The film reteams Rain and director John McTeague. They recently worked together on Speed Racer.
We both grew up with martial arts. Obviously, Rain growing up in Seoul, got all that Asian cinema, and I grew up in Australia, and so I got great, confluence of things from America, things from England, but also a lot of Japanese TV serial like Shintaro the Samurai, also Phantom Agents, and that was all martial arts. Then the ninja movies in the 80s that became famous there for a while had its own little genre, which I think Rain and myself both saw, had Shogashugi in it, so it'd be good to put him in this movie as well.
Little brother.
In Asia, there's so many martial arts films. When I was growing up, I saw a lot of martial arts film about Bruce Lee or Jackie Chan movies. Yeah, I'm a big fan of martial arts movies. My character name is Rido. Rido is a great assassin. Yeah, he's very sassy.
You know what I would say about the Riser character too, ultimately he's a man of integrity, I think if you get into, what the film is sort of, is is it nature that makes you the person you are, is it nurture, isn't after all this brainwashing to be an assassin. Ultimately you make your choices, ultimately he decided that he would reject the clan and try to stop them from killing people. And I think that's the great thing about the Riser character, a little more complex than the straight out killer.
I do my best.
Yeah.
To do his best, he trained for this film for nearly a year, night and day.
With his training, I just said, hey, look,